Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 6. This time we will discuss about main idea of paragraph and please listen carefully. The main idea of paragraph is the primary point or concept that the author wants to communicate to the readers about the topic. Hence, in a paragraph, when the main idea is stated directly, it is expressed in what is called the topic sentence. Think of the main idea as brief but all-encompassing summary. It covers everything the paragraph talks about in a general way, but does not include the specific. The style will come in later sentence or paragraphs and add nouns and context. The main idea will need this detail to support its argument.
How to find the main idea? Step 1. Identify the topic. Read the passage through completely, then try to identify the topic. Who or what is the paragraph about? 2. Summarize the passage. After reading the passage thoroughly, summarize it in your own words in one sentence. 3. Look at the first and last sentence of the passage. Authors often put the main idea in order either the first or last sentence of the paragraph or article. So isolate the sentence to see if they make sense as the overarching theme of the passage. 4. Look for repetition of ideas. If you read through a paragraph and you have no idea how to summarize it because there is so much information, start looking for repeated words, phrases, or related ideas.
Avoid main idea mistakes. Choosing a main idea from a set of answer choices is different than composing a main idea on your own. Writers of multiple choice tests are often tricky and will give you distractor questions that sound much like the real answer. By reading the passage thoroughly, using your skill, and identifying the main idea on your own, though, you can avoid making these three common mistakes: selecting an answer that is too narrow in scope, selecting an answer that is too broad, or selecting an answer that is complex but contrary to the main idea.
Okay, the next, how to find stated main idea. Sometimes a reader will get lucky and the main idea will be a stated main idea, which is the easiest to find in a passage. It is written directly in the text. Authors sometimes come right out and write the main idea in the passage for a variety of reasons. They don't want you to miss the point. They are new writers and have to figure out the art of subtlety. They like clear, informational writing. Whatever the reasons, it is there waiting for you. You just need to find it. And then the steps. The first is read the passage of the text. The second is to question to yourself what is the passage mostly about. And then the third, explain the answer in one short sentence. Don't include details or examples from the text. And the fourth, look for a sentence in the text that most closely fits with your brief summary.
How to find the implied main idea? Sometimes a reader will get lucky and the main idea will be a stated main idea, where the main idea is easy to find because it's written directly in the text. However, many of the passages you'll need write on standardized tests like a SAT or GRE will have an implied main idea, which is little trickier. If the author doesn't directly state the main idea of the text, it's up to you to infer what the main idea is. Finding the implied main idea is easier if you think of the basics as a box. How to find the implied main idea? First, Read the passage of the text. Second, ask this question to yourself. What do each of the details of the passage have in common? Third, in your own words, summarize. 4. Compose a short sentence stating.
That's all our discussion. Thanks for your attention. And if any question, please ask for our. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.